Airlines. Last year, we still up more.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Hey, back here with you again. Want to tell you guys, it's been a while. I've been out for work. So I was up in Circleville, Ohio for a month. Like I said, I was doing some electrician work for DuPont with MMR. But nonetheless, I've been always looking at the markets and listening to the news. You know, trying to evolve and. If we can just have a look at the financials. I'll just interview you guys right now. But yeah, they're talking about the dollar, the strong, too much of momentum it's gaining. We'll be seeing a rebound from the drop on stocks right now. That's what I'm looking at. Airlines, they're gonna reopen the market. Let me show you right here.
What you're reading over the weekend, you're reporting this morning on the new tone of this pandemic.
Well, it's interesting, Tom, because on the one hand, the numbers would tell you things are getting worse, at least when it comes to cases. Look at the UK, for example, north of 50.
Yeah, so we're talking about Delta variant, which might also, you know, involve the
and deaths. Of course, that is where the vaccine comes in.
Delta variant, and they're saying which vaccines are helping with that. So it's kind of like, I believe it's kind of something like it's gonna be like to just kind of like move the markets for a bit, to cause a little bit of speculation regarding the ifs of what ifs, you know, what's it gonna do, or it's gonna be as bad as the COVID. But they're already saying like some vaccines are pretty much fighting that variant or variants. So right now we're seeing on the dollars gain some momentum against the Mexican peso, and that's what I'm talking about right now. We got in a position at 19 with 70 down here, and we are looking for 2050, 2060 area.
This idea, and I keep going back to this line that President rightly used many years ago, rates have to be low now to be higher in the future. It's not quite working out for this bond market.
So that's what we're looking at the dollar peso. And on AMC,
right now we're talking about tapering, yields go lower. You talk about a dovish Fed, yields go lower. Hot CPI, hot PPI, yields go lower. I don't think anyone really knows what's going on, Tom. You can ask 4 experts on Wall Street about the bond market right now.
Yeah, so this is what we're looking at right now.
Let's get a fifth one right now. Anthony Rodriguez joining us with Being Ahead of Fixed Income. And what is so important about Tony Rodriguez is he is steeped on the other side of the bond market,
that's a good
which is the demand and the supply.
So Lou, one of my guys, my brother, yeah, in a good, really good position at 1970. He's been holding, and we're at 20. Look for longing for 2050 on that peso. Let's get it. Great call. Great call. I see gold probably retesting 1760. This is on the weekly.
That search for yield is going to continue to be a very, very
definitely. 17, yeah, we're close to 1780, 1760, and then maybe again come back or fall down further and retest these lower levels at 1720, 1740. We gotta get some bread in here. We gotta get oversold somewhere around this area to be able to slingshot back or try to get some momentum back, and then go on from there and see how it looks in the weekly. We get to oversold levels as well, which would indicate that we are above the oversold levels on this previous area right here on the month of March. So we can get oversold right here or a higher level. And from here, I would long looking to 1900 again. 1870. That's what I would do. And right now we're looking at AMC, guys, been holding strong, motherfuckers, strong, like I was saying. So I left to work I drove from Bordertown, South Texas, all the way to Circleville, Ohio, which is like some close to 22 hours. It's nothing. So it was a good drive. That's all I'm gonna say. Both ways. I almost didn't make it up there, but I made it. Now I made it back. I'm here. I'm trading. We're looking to trade. Thank you guys. Follow, like, help me promote this channel. Me tienen que ayudar a toda la racita. Ahorita voy a volver a explicar en español lo que estamos haciendo aquí en el Valle de Texas, el hermoso. Hermosos todos. Denle like y subscribe. Aquí vamos a pasar un poquito de información con los stocks que estamos moviendo. AMC, como les decía, ya tengo rato. Gracias a Dios yo me alcancé a meter en enero. Y pues tampoco no le había metido mucha lana, la verdad no tenía mucha lana, había ahorrado el trabajo. $2,000 lo metí. Entré en 2.90. Y todavía tengo unos poquitas 300 shares. Recientemente cuando pegó $70-$60. I could have, should have, would have. Holding strong, that's all I'm gonna say. Next target's $100. Looking for the $100 target. $100 target. That's what I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna pull some profits there myself. And then wait to see how the market is gonna react. Look at the different levels. Maybe retest over here on the RSI and the MACD indicators. I'm gonna work them out. Go low time frame, go to 4 hours. See, we're very oversold. You see some black here. We're gonna see some momentum. Probably gonna see it. I think we're gonna see it once earnings. Hey, we back, killer. It's earnings week, baby. So let me tell you guys what we got this week. We're not earnings. Give you a list real quick. Shout out to Stock Sharks, who I got the list from on Instagram. So we got today on Monday pre-market. We got Tractor Supply, AutoNation, Prologs, and after close we got IBM, PPG, Crown. Some pretty big. I mean, IBM is pretty big now. Tuesday we got pre-market Halliburton, Ally, KeyBank, Travelers, HCA. Aftermarket, we got Netflix, United Airlines, American Airlines, Chipotle. Wednesday, we got Johnson & Johnson on the pre-market, Coca-Cola, Verizon, SAP, Anthem, Knight. After close, we got Whirlpool, Kaiser, Texas Instruments, and Discover. Those are like the pretty big ones right there. Now Thursday, we got pre-market AT&T, American Airlines, Southwest, Domino's. So the biggest ones there, Biogen, Cliffs. And then aftermarket, we got Intel, Twitter, Capital One, Skechers, Del Taco. Not bad, not bad. For Friday, we got Honeywell, American Express, Schlumberger, First Hawaiian Bank, and Regions. Pretty big right there. So that's that this week. This week of, well, the last week of, we got 2 more weeks left. Getting ahead of myself. 2 weeks left in this month of July, 2021. We're gonna make it happen. We probably got some big moves coming as well for other parts of the market. Right now I'm on AMC, but as well, if you want to look into those, there's probably gonna be some moves this week, depending on their earnings. I will look at that. I will look at their charts. But yeah, since I'm not on that right now, I mean, it's still pretty good to know that you got all those big companies, big names pointing out earnings this week, and it's more than likely going to move the market some type of way. So you can use that to your advantage. Try and maybe, let's say, buy right here and try to double your money to 72. You know, that's on. Although if you're trading stocks, let me just tell you right now, you are going to be holding a little bit longer than forex account, for example, something that you're in and out, or swing trading, day trading. I mean, you could day trade stocks. I'm not saying you can, but you gotta be very selective with which ones you're day trading. And with what's the amount in your account and what percentage you plan on to make per move. So if you have a big account, it's better to move on, let's say, the Nasdaq or Tesla, Apple, something that's going to give you a little bit more range and out moves with small percentages, though big percentages as well, like 3% on a $10,000 account, $300. It's not bad. Take it for the day, $600. Not bad. Well, yeah, you gotta have like I said, probably like a $10,000 account, something like that, which is what we're working towards. So we can start doing after we take our profits from AMC at around like 100, and that's what we're gonna be doing after that. So it's gonna happen, guys. Watch, and we are also looking at gold. Like I said, I'm looking to retest 1760, maybe 1750 again. And from there, we get another rebound upward. And we're gonna come back and look at this video in a couple of weeks from now, months. And we're gonna see Mystic Ruli, coming up, putting up with the calls. So let me know if you're interested. Open agent right now. All the brokers right now you're watching. Got big data analysts, quantitative data analysts right here, right in front of you guys. I appreciate it, and I speak Spanish as well. So, analista de datos de las compañías locales, internacionales, de todo el global, de todo el plan, todo el universo, que andamos poniendo atención a lo que pasa. La economía, política, todo un poquito, deportes, todo tiene que ver, todo está junto, todo es como una red, todo es como una telaraña, entonces tenemos que poner atención, cómo se va a mover el mercado. Hay muchas distracciones, hay que ver los porcentajes, los números no mienten, qué están haciendo los bancos, cuáles son los costos de vida, costos de luz, costos del agua, costos de la comida. ¿Cuánto me cuesta pagar de renta? ¿Entiendes? O sea, ¿cuánto me cuesta a mí mantenerme a esta persona a 165, 155, 170, 180 libras? ¿Cuánto quieres pesar? ¿Cuánto te cuesta mantenerte ese peso saludablemente? Tener un techo sobre tu cabeza. Having a roof over our heads every time we close our eyes at night, we're gonna get some rest. I'm blessed. I am grateful. I thank the Lord. Thank the Most High for giving me somewhere to sleep. If you've ever been out there and you know what it's like not to have, or if you've slept on the streets, unfortunately, for most of my life, my parents, my dad, my mama, thank you. They provided for me. Gracias. Todo proveído para mí. Han visto por mi futuro. Y gracias a Dios, la mayor parte de mi vida nunca me faltó un techo. Hubo tiempos ahora en recientes situaciones difíciles que sí me faltó techo. A mí y a mi hermano. Pero pues sobrevivimos, aquí estamos haciendo esto. con una idea, una ideología de sobresalir, llegar a niveles donde, pues normalmente aquí en nuestro sector no se acostumbra a ver a personas que hagan dinero en el mercado, en la bolsa. So it's not accustomed to for people from our area to see Hispanics or Mexican people succeed and doing this. And I love it, man. Analyzing the data, going back and forth, trying to learning. I'm listening to Bloomberg TV right now. I'm up ahead, man. I woke up at 4:55 a.m. today. What's he putting last night? Ready to bed. Okay. Sun's out, guns out. Wow. Yeah, we're looking at. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Wow. We're gonna have to get a rebound soon. We're looking at the US 10-year bond. Wow, no, this video was so. Wow. Had to have that pullback. Had. Now, where are we going from here, guys? We look at the RSI, that sharp drop. And this is what I mean, what you could analyze on the charts. You can go back, puedes estar viendo, tratando de entender qué te está diciendo. Es como, no, ¿qué te quiere decir? ¿Qué nos quiere decir? So, I believe it's trying to tell you something. And we can make some profits out of that. I'd say that. Oh, yeah. Can I get an idea? Oh, yeah. Can I get an idea? Let me put my earning. So what could happen is that we could have a drop to 1%, get oversold, and we do have a target by end of year of 2%. We have a target by the Fed of 2% by the end of the year. Are we going to get there? La Reserva Federal de los Estados Unidos tiene un objetivo de pegarle a 2% antes del final del año 2021. Estamos aquí. Ellos quieren estar aquí. ¿Qué va a pasar? ¿Están mintiendo? Who's lying? I want to know who's lying. Delta variant, and then we see a sharp drop. We see a sharp drop. Now we got earnings. We're listening to people saying that earnings are going to be better than expected, with double the amount. Strong retail reports for the month of June. We might get the same thing for the month of July, which is more than likely going to happen. We are halfway into the month. 4th of July. You know, there's a lot of people still out on vacation. Travel is a lot of travel. That was man this month. Great reopening. La gran reapertura de la más grande nación del planeta, de la creación. Where does everybody want to go? To the USA. Everybody wants to go to the USA. Still the number one in the whole world. Hate it or love it, man. The United States is number one. Texas is number one in the United States. And then maybe Florida. I'll give Florida, Utah, Colorado, Montana, North Dakota, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Is it Minnesota, Minneapolis? It's Minnesota. Michigan, Ohio, Mississippi, Florida, like I said, Georgia, Alabama, Louisiana, Oklahoma, New Mexico, California, Utah. Well, I've been around, guys. You know, the things that I've been to. I mean, all the states. Talking about the states that I've been to for my journey of 30, about be 31, couple months. Right here, October. Oh, yes. October 16. Where will we be there? We're gonna be at 2% then. Where are we going to be? I need to put a line there to remind ourselves that we got a target. We got 2% target right here. And I'm gonna write on this. What the fuck? Yeah, I need to refresh. And let me write on it. But we're gonna write on there that we have a target of 2% by end of the year. And it's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? I want to know what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen right now? Look what's happening.
Reach out to Mark Purpose, it's all about any post for 4250, 4800. He responds as much as he says, Tom, the bond move is not an example of growth over the next 2 or 3 years, as much as it is a reflection of Fed policy and foreign yields. Lower bond yields mean a healthier equity risk premium, which affords more deep buying, respectively. That's the focus now. The Mark Purpose email me back on the right top, the right.
Yeah, so why I like that is picking it up on the traditional equity analysis. The earnings growth, you know, slow down. The challenge really important here, Curtis picks up on the point line, which is you get things for middle of should we mention our space coverage tomorrow? It's important. Baseline, go ahead, clean overnight, 7 o'clock.
Get paid twice as fast.
So that's where we're at right now with that trade. We have that trade open. It's a small account, but still what matters is the prop, like the pips. I like to go by how much you're making by lot. So it's a 0.03 lot, how much you're making percent. So how depending on how much you're making percent, you could like plan a move of 10, 20 cents, and you know you're gonna make $120 example, and then you go with that for the day, for the week, for the month. You gotta know that we might just get 3 good plays a month, 4 good plays a month. But what I've been trying to understand and learn from the accounts that I've managed is that I've been really greedy and just trying to jab and jab and jab and jab and jab trades. After a good trade, we just wait, esperarnos un buen rato, and then go for another trade, and they'll just add up slowly. $500, $600, take the trade, take the profits, man. Take the profits. So I'm gonna leave it like that today, guys. Like I said, I think we're gonna get some rebounds. We're gonna get some big rebounds on the stock market. Airlines coming soon. We got we're gonna Rolls Royce as well. Like I was telling you guys in my other video. Oh my god, we are low 130, but 127 pre-market. We are going down low. Down low. Oh my god. Never dropped so low before. Some dip buying right there. Fuck. Gotta check my trade account right now, guys. So I'm gonna leave you to it. Buy Rolls Royce, buy the fucking dip. Buy the fucking dip right now. Buy it. I got a big pullback. Got a big pullback on this one, baby. Yeah, it's really awesome. Really awesome. Gonna have to come back, baby. Get it, baby.